The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, Culpeper County in northern Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Culpeper, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Catawba, Elkwood, Stevensburg, Brandy Station, Opal, Jefferson, Turnbull, Midland, Bealeton, Cordova, Rainbow, Ricksville, Atlantis, Remington, Boston, and Winston. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northern, central, and northwestern Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, western Page County in northwestern Virginia, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Bryce Mountain, Oregon, 16 miles southeast of Rough Run, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Alma, Newport, Tunis, Orkney Springs, Hunterville, Ingham, Shenandoah Caverns, Leettsville, Bryce Mountain, Mount Jackson, Hamburg, Quicksburg, Hakestown, Timberville, Forestville, Mount Clifton, New Market, Bassi, and Luray. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for western and northwestern Virginia. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Shenandoah, Virginia. Flood warning in effect until midnight tonight. Replaces flash flood warning. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of northwest Virginia, including the following county, Shenandoah. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until midnight tonight. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details, at 8:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mount Jackson, New Market,